better work-life balance, and reduced commuting time. So this trend has intensified by the COVID-19 pandemic. Businesses, employees, government must work together to promote society. Therefore, this conference holds importance in today's world. May I request to start the occasion, may I request the dignitaries on the dais to be escorted by HOD Dr. Jeevan Jyoti and our senior most professor, Professor Hardeep Chail, to please light the lamp so that we can start with the proceedings. And I also invite Ayushi for the Saraswati Vandana.
For group photo.
Weeks and totally taken up by Professor Hardeep Chail and Dr. Jeevan Jyoti by making this unleash by the efforts of Dr. Rupa Mahajan. Thank you so much. I may now humbly invite Mr. Rahul Sahai, our chief guest of the occasion, the President, PhD Chamber of Commerce and Industries, to inaugurate the session by
Dr. Jeevan Jyoti, Department of Commerce, University of Jammu, on the theme Adapting to Change. And इस कॉन्फ्रेंस के माध्यम से हम सोसाइटी को, स्टूडेंट्स को, सभी को एक प्लेटफॉर्म पे ला के उनको ये समझाना चाहते हैं कि चेंज की ज़रूरत क्यों है और अगर वो चेंज हो तो क्या वो अब्रप्ट होना चाहिए या वो ग्रेजुअल होना चाहिए. सो इसी कंटेक्स्ट में हमने 3 एक्सपर्ट्स के प्लेनरी सेशन रखे हैं. एक सेशन जो है वो हमारा फोकस कर रहा है सस्टेनेबिलिटी और ग्रीन इनिशिएटिव्स पे. दूसरा सेशन जो है वो हमारा फोकस कर रहा है एजुकेशन पे. तीसरा सेशन जो है वो हमारा एंगेजमेंट पे फोकस कर रहा है. इन प्लेनरी सेशंस के जरिए जो हमारे इंडस्ट्री के एक्सपर्ट हैं वो कॉन्फ्रेंस के डेलीगेट्स के साथ इंटरेक्ट करेंगे और अपने व्यूज़ और उनके व्यूज़ के बाद एक पॉलिसी डॉक्यूमेंट बनाया जाएगा जो हम अपनी यूनिवर्सिटी को, स्टेट गवर्नमेंट को देंगे, जिसके तहत हम अपनी सोसाइटी को फ्यूचर रेडी कर सकते हैं. फर्दर ये जो इवेंट है ये स्कॉलर को भी एक प्लेटफॉर्म देगी कि वो अपना रिसर्च जो है वो सबके आगे रखें, नेटवर्किंग करें, अच्छी पब्लिकेशन करें. इस कॉन्फ्रेंस के तहत, प्लेनरी सेशंस के तहत, ट्रैक सेशंस के तहत हम एक शोकेस जनरेट करेंगे थ्रू द पब्लिकेशन इन द जर्नल्स, जहाँ पे पब्लिकेशंस होगी अच्छे जर्नल्स के साथ. हमने कोलैबोरेट किया है. जो पेपर्स यहाँ पे स्कॉलर्स और स्टूडेंट्स प्रेजेंट करेंगे वो इंटरनेशनल जर्नल्स में पब्लिश किए जाएंगे, बट आफ्टर द क्वालिटी चेक. सो फोकस सिर्फ जनरेशन ऑफ द पार्टिसिपेंट्स नहीं है, फोकस है कि आउटकम हो जिससे सोसाइटी भी बेनिफिट करे और गवर्नमेंट भी बेनिफिट करे. सो हम एक कोशिश हमने की है कि सबके लिए एक विन विन सिचुएशन हो और हम फ्यूचर रेडी करें और चेंज को अडैप्ट भी करें.
Thank you, ma'am.
Later, Dr. Tarseem Lal, I would like to invite our sponsors on the stage. First, Nimbak Organic, founder Mrs. Pooja Gupta.
सामने
Thank you so much. Next. Thank you so much. Next sponsor. He has many startups to work on, so we wish her all the best and thank you, Taruni.
On behalf of the Department of Commerce, University of Jammu, I would like to express my deep gratitude to our Badi Vice Chancellor, Professor Umesh Rai, for his continuous support, motivation, and time-to-time guidance. We are indebted to him for providing us the necessary administrative approval for organizing this conference. My special thanks to our keynote speaker, Professor Alok Kumar Rai, esteemed Vice Chancellor, University of Lucknow, for accepting our invitation and for being with us today. Sir, your thoughts, creative ideas and suggestions are worth pondering over and have widened the scope of the topic under review. I once again thank you for blessing with us with your presence on this awarding occasion. A particular mention goes to our today's chief guest, Shri Rahul Sahai, Chairman, PhD, Chamber of Commerce and Industry. Sir, your sage advice and valued opinions have certainly broadened the horizon of understanding of the participants. I am also thankful to Professor Rahul Gupta, Registrar, University of Jammu, for presiding over the function and for his continuous support and guidance. Sir, your presidential remarks have truly inspired us. I am also thankful to Professor Hadeep Chan, senior most faculty members of the Department of Commerce and currently the Director of ICCR and HRL, for her constant guidance and support to shape the conference. I would like to thank our dynamic leader, the brain behind this conference, Dr. Jeevan Jyoti, Head of the Department of Commerce, for her constant support, motivation and time-to-time guidance that radiated a source of energy within us in the organization of this event. Ma'am, we feel proud and thank you for making this event a grand success. I would like to extend my sincere gratitude to Professor Adi Sharma, former Vice Chancellor, University of Jammu and International University Noida, for gracing the occasion with his warm presence. My special thanks to Professor Santosh Gupta, former Head of the Department of Commerce, Professor Sandeep Tandon, Professor Prakash Anthal, Professor Vinay Chauhan, Professor Alka Ma'am, for their gracious presence. I am also thankful to Professor B.K. Shroki from Delhi School of Economics, University of Delhi, Professor Gurucharan Singh and Professor Ran Singh Daliwal from School of Management Studies, University of Patiala, Mr. Gagan Jain, Director, BK Cinders Private Limited, Jammu and Kashmir, for accepting our invitations and blessing us with their presence. I am also thankful to Professor Rishi Raj from Guru Nanak Dev University, Mr. Sandeep Gunawat, Manager, Financial Inclusion and Development Department, RBI Jammu, and Muhammad Jasim Kichlu, IPS, for accepting our invitations. It is indeed a great honor for us to have such prominent speakers known for their great contributions to their respective fields. My sincere thanks to the deans, rectors, directors, head of the departments, faculty members and officers from various departments and participating colleges who are present here for making the time to be with us today. I am very much thankful to our sponsors for sponsoring us. It would have been impossible to organize this conference without their support. I am also thankful to our publication in charge, Dr. Rinku Sanjeev, Assistant Professor, Symbiosis, Center for Management Studies, Noida. Ladies and gentlemen, an event of this dimension cannot happen overnight. The wheels start rolling several months in advance. We have been fortunate enough to be backed by a team of very motivated and dedicated teachers, non-teaching staff, research scholars, students and volunteers. I cannot thank everyone enough for the involvement they have shown and the willingness they have expressed to take on the completion of tasks beyond their comfort zones. I express my sincere thanks to the press and media for covering this event. I am also thankful to the Office of the Dean Students Welfare for providing us the required infrastructure and other technical supports for conducting this event. Dear participants, if time is money, then today you have spent millions for us. So thank you once again for making this event a grand success. Jai Hind.